Alright guys, so in today's video we're gonna talk about Pepe Coin here guys. What's going on with the charts, especially after we just seen right now the huge news with Binance former CEO CZ stepping down and pleading guilty, and other news like the SEC going again after Kraken. But right now guys, we wanna talk about Pepe Coin here and how Pepe Coin is handling this bearish news like a champ here guys. We can see Pepe Coin is holding a meme coin that everyone is talking shit about. It's holding strong even with this big bearish news going on here in the market. But not only that guys, we do have Bitcoin as well holding here. And a lot of people are in disbelief right now, are in shock why Bitcoin, why other coins including Pepe Coin are not dumping. Well here guys, simply the market right now is maturing. The market right now is set in with the idea that we are going up, and as well the biggest of the black swans that were hiding in the crypto space, that one day Binance could go down, could go insolvent like FTX. One day this could happen and send the prices even lower, as people still have the PTSD from the FTX collapse and Luna collapse and other stuff collapsing on the crypto space. And right now guys, with the news that we've seen right now with Binance solving their issues with the US market, paying those $4.3 billion in fines, and CZ stepping down, right now Binance is out of the woods here, and which leads the crypto market to believe that right now guys, we are out of the woods. No more problems ahead. We've solved all the problems, and that is why the crypto space is holding, and that is why we do not see those huge crashes that we've seen in the past with FTX, that's the one we've seen here guys, and here with the Luna crash and FTX crash. We do not see them now, because back then here guys, this all was news to the crypto space, that for the first time we've seen a huge crypto exchange going under, going insolvent. This was massive back then, but right now we can say that the market is maturing, and as well setting the idea that we are already in a bull market, because right now guys, Bitcoin is way above that multi-year support resistance 30k, and the market is not looking back right now guys. The market is reacting very well to this news. As we can see here, Bitcoin did not even blink here, we're still holding this uptrend, and to a lot of people's surprise, Pepe Coin as well is still holding here guys. As we can see, the same line here we've seen in this range, we are seeing as well here on Bitcoin guys. Bitcoin still holding this support here that we've seen, this local support, as well as Pepe Coin. Even if you've been following my channel, you know that we've been looking at this support here, which is around that 10 level, and this is exactly where Pepe Coin is standing at right now, or where Pepe Coin has bounced off. Now the question here guys is, would we go down lower here, or are we gonna keep ranging and see higher prices? Now the reason I always show you guys Bitcoin is because whatever Bitcoin is doing, the altcoins are gonna be doing. But sometimes we do see a lot of fear going towards altcoins, usually when we get big bearish news, but this is not the case right now here guys. We can see Pepe Coin is holding strong, following slowly Bitcoin, and Bitcoin seen a rise today. Pepe Coin as well is bouncing off that support. So here guys, this means if Bitcoin rises from here and we see a rally from Bitcoin here, we're gonna see a rally from Pepe Coin. And if Bitcoin crashes from here, we're gonna see also a crash or a dump on Pepe Coin. Now we're gonna discuss both scenarios and how we can get prepared for those scenarios here in this video guys. So we're gonna start with the downside first, and here simply guys, we do have, as I said on my yesterday's video, you can go and rewatch that where I talk about the news and what to expect from the news, but we're gonna go quickly through it here. So basically guys, the 30k level on Bitcoin is undeniably a strong support, that's 30k level, and if we do see a huge dump on Bitcoin, which would be considered here from these prices here around a 15% dump, which is considered a huge dump, if this happens, we could pretty much expect 30k to hold, as it is a multi-year support and resistance. We've seen this 30k level act as a resistance so many times, and as well act as a support so many times, guys. So the thing here, guys, if we do see a dump on Bitcoin towards 30k, we as well could see Pepe Coin going toward those levels I've been telling you about, guys. If you are looking to add even more Pepe Coin, as I've been saying, guys, whenever I get dips on Pepe Coin, I just look to add more, as my goal is to hold 10 billion Pepe tokens for the bull market, as I believe Pepe Coin could be the next Shiba Inu in the next bull market, and more on that on another video. Anyways, guys, so the levels I'm looking at is around these lows here, around that 85, and anything below would be a major opportunity here, guys. As you can see, Pepe Coin and Bitcoin are holding so well with this news here. And as well, guys, we are getting the Bitcoin ETF coming. We got rid of major bearish news. If Bitcoin gave us that 30k, this should be taken as an opportunity, as I've been saying. And for Pepe Coin, anything around that 85 or below, in my opinion, should be taken as well as an opportunity here on Pepe Coin. But as I said, if Bitcoin drops towards 30k, it's gonna be a bit tricky to really guess the bottom here on Pepe Coin. On other altcoins, it depends how are they gonna react to this dump. But in most cases, if Bitcoin dumps 15%, other coins could dump 20% or 30%, which gonna bring Bitcoin around that 70-85 level, 75-80 level here, guys. So this is when it comes to the downside. Now when it comes to the upside, guys, here it's pretty simple. As long as we are still here, guys, holding above this previous fake out here to the downside, and if Bitcoin here, guys, just decides to rally from here, decides to just leave everyone again in disbelief, especially with the news here and everything that's happening and end of year and everything like that, if Bitcoin just decides to rally from here and go towards that 46k or 40k, then we could, guys, here say that we officially here begin the bull market rally, and then we could see Pepe Coin rallying from here. There will be no stops, unfortunately. If we do get that rally started on Bitcoin, we're gonna see altcoins rallying hard. There will be no stops, and that would be the start of that bull run rally, and we could see higher prices here on Pepe Coin and most of the other altcoins, guys. Here, as you can see, most of the altcoins are shrugging, especially the meme coins here, guys, are shrugging the recent FUD. And we can see here Floki down 0.49%, Pepe 0.75%, Shiba Inu 0.25%, Dogecoin 0.24%, which is impressive, guys, here, knowing that these are meme coins, and usually the crypto space, the fundamental guys, they hate meme coins, and meme coins keep showing that they are a solid pillar on this crypto space, guys. This as well shows, guys, that probably the bottoms were in here, guys. The bottom were in here, guys. The opportunity to load up is probably behind us if Bitcoin decides to go to that 46k, and we're just gonna see the rallies started from here. That is why, guys, I do say if we get any dips, those are to be taken as an opportunity, and this is my humble opinion. As usual, nothing is financial advice, and as I said, these dips should be taken as an opportunity because, guys, the downside risk is lower than the upside risk here, guys. So if we do get another drop here of 30%, 40%, the upside risk of not being in the market right now is exponential. If Bitcoin decides tomorrow 46k is the next price target, Pepe Coin and all of the other altcoins are just gonna rally with no stops, no breaks, and a lot of people are gonna have to buy way higher than these prices. A lot of people are gonna be buying way higher. So that is why I usually hedge myself whenever we have these doubts in the market. And by hedging, I mean I start being more bullish and I start to accumulate even more, because the upside risk is way higher if we just rally from here. And if you are under allocated here, you're gonna be at way higher risks of missing probably the biggest bull market that the cryptocurrency will ever see, with the big banks joining. And the downside risk is a 40% from here, and maybe another opportunity to add up before we get the major bull market, or probably the biggest bull market that the cryptos is ever gonna see, guys. So that's my opinion here, guys. As usual, if you have any more questions, you can join my Discord, link in the description. You can as well leave them in the comment section. And for my guys trading derivatives, you can check out FairDesk. No KYC, no VPN needed to join. You get up to $35,000 bonus on your deposit, and you as well become a VIP 5 by using my link, which means your trading fees get drastically reduced. You can trade most of the altcoins here, guys, including Pepe Coin. I'll leave you the link in the description for those that are interested. So again, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and as usual, nothing is a financial advice, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.